This is the Highlife Envoy model, a 5-seater from Hot Spring Spa. The Hot Spring Collection is our premium range of spas offering a number of unique features, and I would like to show you some of them. Let's start by looking at the seating in this Envoy spa. The Envoy is one of our bigger spas, having 5 big wide seats, each of them offering a different massage experience. Just want to point out 2 of the seats that are extremely popular. One of them is the lounger, where you see the motor massage jet. It's a patented jet system exclusive only for the Hot Spring Collection. It's a moving jet that goes up and down your back, combined with neck massage. Also, it has what we call a captain seat. This is a deep seat with a full back massage, wrist massage, and also foot massage. The water will be sanitized with freshwater salt system. This system cleans water in a more natural way and with very little maintenance involved. Also, I want to have a look at the design. The design of these spas were made in collaboration with BMW Designworks. And they have created spas that look like they're floating. So you will see that they are lifted up from the floor, and there's lights coming from below on the 4 corners, and also from different light sources inside the spa, like under the pillow, from the water feature, and from the bathtub. As another exclusive feature, all the Highlife Collection has a touchscreen instead of a panel. So here you have your different accessories coming up, like for instance the fresh water or the music, and you can control it from this screen. This range of spas comes in 6 different cabinet combinations, colors, and 6 different show colors.